Hello to everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So what's up today? So today is an unboxing day at Starbucks Philippines. So I met
Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome to Princess Gates channel. It's time for us to unbox my gift for Mrs. Gates. So I have here my gift. So
I don't
it's
know.
unboxing time.
Having so many my dad.
So Madam Gates, this is your gift.
Wow.
So one by one you're going to open it, okay?
I have a lot of gifts.
Later first muna.
Actually,
Yeah, first muna, okay? So,
I'm going to do
one by one ha. One by one. Oh, you pick first. That is a tumbler, a color pink tumbler. Yes.
pink.
Para kapag nauuhaw ka, 'yan ang gagamitin mo sa school.
Wow, this is nice, right?
Yan.
I love
First gift for you.
That's my
Next,
second gift.
for the second gift, a gift bag from Boracay.
Wow, so nice in Boracay.
Yes. Sige pa. Okay. Next. Next.
Okay, I'll put it in there. Okay. Then next.
Third gift is a retinol cream for your face. Yes, more beautiful and young. Yeah. Retinol Bakuchoil. Yes. Okay, next.
I put it in there. And what's this?
That's candy. Yes.
Yay!
Para maganda yung boses mo sa pagtuturo. Yes. Yes.
I love to sing.
Yes. Okay. Next.
And of course, what else? This is for my bank account.
Yeah, for your credit cards and cards. Yes.
Wow, all the dollars.
Yeah.
But not the credit.
Yeah, now credit cards and dollars.
Wow. Cash na lang. Next.
Next. Yeah. That's a scented candles and a tea. You open the scented candles. Open it. Be careful. That is a tea from Taiwan.
What Taiwan?
Yeah, it's a black tea
And the other one.
and a scented candle. Yeah, that's a scented candle.
From Taiwan pa ha.
Yes.
So I put in there. Baka mamaya bumagsak siya. I hope gonna be.
And
This.
last one from Davao. Keychain from Davao.
Well, what can I say?
Wala na ba? Tapos na?
Man,
Okay, thank you, madam. That's for my gift for
So
you.
from the bottom of my heart, thank you, Arden. You're so thoughtful. You have this one. You have this. And it's very useful. I love it. And what will I here? Water? Cold?
Gold, gold.
Cold. And you have this.
Yeah, you can use it on summer vacation sa Boracay.
It's my time to go at Boracay with Mr. Gates. And the other one,
For your money,
there's
credit
a dollar
cards.
here. There's a dollar.
No.
Well, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. For
You're
this.
welcome,
You're so
madam.
thoughtful and generous. And what else? Alabable, inaanak.
Thank you, Nina.
So this is it. Mwah. So,
Wow, it's so nice. Thank you, Nina. Thank you. Okay, what else?
what else? I know your art. pleased to be teacher, social studies teacher. So I have for you this one. It's an antique.
Wow!
Antique. I got it from my one of my collection too.
Okay, can you open it?
Open it.
Show it to me. Wow!
So
I'm going to portray that one.
the other one is I think this is you.
Oh, nice!
This is you.
Nice!
So much.
Okay.
So this is you.
Thank you.
Antique
Okay.
shop. So over that.
What's that? Oh, frame. A photo frame.
And there's an artist here.
Wow! From Japan.
Stand.
Yes, I'm going to put that in my room. Oh, thank you, Ninang. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put my picture.
And
What else?
grab a tumbler.
Oh, I have a tumbler too.
It's very
Uy, thank you so much. Yes, you're so very nice. You have a lots of gift, Ninang. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's okay.
And have your cotton bar.
Wow, 2026.
6 color.
Wow, thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much, Nina. You're so kind.
Chris, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And of course,
And what is my birthday gift?
your birthday gift is because it's Pulo made in
Wow,
China,
you're so
from
sweet.
Chinatown. Me and
Yeah.
Dave bought you this.
Oh, Dave.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you have the canvas here. This
Thank
is
you,
all-
Nina. You're so kind.
And of course, this one. What else?
What's that?
A souvenir in Japan.
Wow, from Japan.
Japan.
Okay.
Can I open it?
Yeah, sure. Show it to me.
Because you're a lover in collection.
Uh-huh.
Collector.
Wow, so nice, Nina. Thank you.
And of course, this one you will have. So you will have your museum already.
Yeah.
It's a little thing from my
A
wife
fan.
from Japan. It's a souvenir.
Wow, thank you, Nina. You're so
And
kind.
of course, this one.
Wow, it's a hat. Thank you, thank you. Can I wear it? Wow, thank you. I'm going to wear this one. Thank you. You get the.
Yeah. That's a really
Wait, I'm going to show myself. Yeah, thank you, Nina. It's so nice.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Thank you. Thank you so
You can wear
much.
this one.
Yeah.
Your
I'm
jacket.
going to wear my jacket
This
later.
is so expensive.
Thank you, Nina.
From the bottom of my heart, okay, so that's my gift to you. And happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
And best in life, in health, mission, and more trouble, and more money.
Yes. Manifesting, Ninang. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Yes,
God
God
bless.